Effective fire training. It's an investment in your business and the safety of your employees. Those who train firefighters know that the best form of fire training is hands-on experience. When novice firefighters see the fire, feel the heat, and experience the trauma, they are more able to gain proficiency in the use of a fire extinguisher in the shortest possible time. Usually, such hands-on experience is only made possible through controlled fire situations. Fires are set and extinguished over and over again in order to provide each student with the most realistic experience possible. However, this type of training produces billows of smoke and ash, consumes large quantities of expensive fuel, and is somewhat dependent on weather conditions, such as rain or snow, which can cancel a scheduled training program. Plus, any wind shift can cause cancellation of a training program in progress due to the downwind drift of smoke and extinguishing agents. As the need for effective fire training continues, so does the challenge to develop new fire training methods. Programs designed to provide realistic firefighting training on a variety of flammable liquid hazards without the inherent drawbacks of live fire training. Understanding this, ANSUL Incorporated, in conjunction with Pyrosoft Simulator Systems, developed a new form of fire training technology. Introducing the ANSUL Fire Simulator. This patented new product combines computer technology with digital video and audio for a simulated firefighting experience. The student sees a video reproduction of an actual fire superimposed onto a static hazard background. This BMP image can also be changed to your specific hazard and combined with one of the preset fires. The simulator produces realistic firefighting training by requiring the student to properly actuate the sentry stored pressure or redline cartridge-operated extinguisher. The student must identify the type of fire, the proper extinguishing technique, and then correctly apply that to the fire on the screen. The simulator constantly monitors the student's firefighting technique via the LED emitters in the extinguisher nozzle and the LED sensors located along the projection screen. When the correct application technique is started and continued throughout the firefighting sequence, the computer will extinguish the fire on the screen. If an incorrect application technique is employed, the fire will reflash just as it would in a live fire situation. It's as simple as that. The fire simulator has been tested and proven to be an effective and reliable training aid used at the ANSUL Fire School. ANSUL submitted the fire simulator to the OSHA Regional Office in Chicago for their review and comment. We were advised that after careful review of the ANSUL materials and the OSHA 1910.157G regulation, it is concluded that the ANSUL Fire Training Simulator does meet the requirement of OSHA Regulation 1910.157G. Getting started is easy with the ANSUL Fire Simulator. Assemble all the components and power up the system. The Fire Simulator is modular, versatile, and convenient. Utilizing a small projector and a large portable screen, it provides a lifelike fire situation that can be set up in just about any conference room. Modified ANSUL redline cartridge-operated or sentry-stored pressure hand portable fire extinguishers are used to enhance the firefighting experience. Press the red button on the extinguisher once to relight the simulator fire. Press it again and the extinguisher is charged and ready to use. The extinguisher nozzles have been fitted with a computer-controlled indicating lamp. This shows the student where the agent discharge is being directed, while allowing air pressure through to simulate extinguisher discharge noise. Plus, a set of external speakers add a sense of realism to the student's experience by providing the noise of the fire. Start the Fire Simulator program and choose one of the 4 flammable liquid fire situations: spill fire, fuel and depth fire, storage locker fire, gravity-fed fire. Then choose either the quick adjust default setting or change the level of difficulty for the fire based on the experience level of the student being trained. You can change any or all of the fire simulator parameters. First, determine the size of the discharge nozzle by changing the agent coverage. Next, set the agent application rate to control the flow of simulated dry chemical that would be discharged with a real fire extinguisher. Change the reflash rate to make the fire refresh quicker and more difficult to extinguish. Setting the hazard width determines how far the operator must sweep the nozzle to extinguish the fire. You can even adjust the time the extinguisher can be used before it runs out of extinguishing agent. Now you're ready to start training with the ANSUL Fire Simulator, the most versatile system of its kind. So whether you're training novice operators or keeping your experienced fire brigade in practice, the ANSUL Fire Simulator is your alternative to live fire training. Fulfill your fire training needs and get the most innovative fire training system on the market. Make the investment. Call an ANSUL training representative for your ANSUL Fire Simulator.